If you wish to add more ASINs to this list, simply click on the Add ASIN button in the top left corner. You can do a single item upload or a bulk upload from here. The buy box override we went over earlier. Basically, you can override the entire price list with an option of your choice. If you wish to, you can only override the ones with no current buy box price as well by checking this button here. Next, you can hide and reorder any of the columns in this section. With Astro, you can filter by a multitude of different data points. If you want to start filtering, click on the filter button, add filter, and you'll notice there are many different options that you can choose from. If you're having trouble finding the filter you're looking for, simply start typing in the search field. You can choose a comparator, usually more than or less than, or sometimes it's an equals or like filter if you're filtering by title or item number or UPC, for example. You can apply multiple filters. When you're happy with them, simply hit apply. If you want to save this filter for later use, click on Save Filter and give it a name. There are two main ways you can sort columns. Firstly, you can sort by simply clicking on the title area. If the field you want to sort by is not in the title area, click on the sort button. There's another field here we can start typing. For example, if you wish to filter the ASINs alphabetically, you can filter by pretty much every single data point that you've uploaded into Astro.